Hello Mzansi, welcome to Nkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend down lady aphiwe after video yakhe labonakale khona zamaqoqisa uMawelela Mkhulumisa. So they were celebrating ku reach I think multi-million what kungoma yabo Romeo and Juliet, and they were there. They were there. Unkosi yami, so kube ne video la unaledi because amakhona eqoqisa uMawelela amxoxisa igwenya lidlibheka, and people felt ukuthi hayi nawe girl ngazuthi yafoster uthi like ugaya akekho interested, but uloku wena uyadisonzeta. So people felt ukuthi hayi girl ngathi uzama kusonzela, but ngazuthi mjida like he's trying so hard like to just keep a distance between wena naye ngazuthi COVID. So people were saying ukuthi girl hayi nawe amahloni kithi so sonzele kangaka kuMawelela umbona ukuthi ngathi akekho comfortable. But guys, shame Nkosi yami, uNaledi, one thing about Naledi uyamthanda Nkosi yami kuMawelela, and akakasa kufihle lokho, akakufihli nje, akaqambi futhi nemanga, vele uyamthanda and uyasho nje ukuthi nje vele uyatifela ngamjida. So people are always dragging umntwana Nkosi yami bathi cha girl wena nguwe lothanza Mawelela, and it seems like uMawelela akekho nje lapho. Wena lokho ufuna kuthatha ama-pictures akhe, ama-pictures naye ngengani, ufuna ukuthatha ama-video naye ngengani, uyambona nje lapha ukuthi ngathi akekho comfortable, but wena lokhu uyasonzela, lokhu uyasonzela, hey igwinya lidlibheka. So people are saying ukuthi girl keep it distance phela nawe nje uyambona mjida ukuthi naye he's trying so hard ngokuthi akuphushele le, but wena Nkosi yami awuboni lokhu yadisonzeta ke nawe Naledi. So people are dragging umntwana lapha kuma-social media platforms bathi hey Naledi naye akasatisonzeti kuMawelela. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.